Do you ever wish you had someone to practice your English speaking with? Someone who is available 24/7, never gets tired, never judges you, and best of all, is completely free? It sounds impossible, right? You want to speak English fluently, but you're stuck. Maybe you're shy. Maybe you don't have a partner to practice with, or maybe you're just afraid of making mistakes in front of others. What if I told you that the perfect English speaking partner is already in your pocket? Stay with me, because in this video, I'm going to reveal how you can use a powerful AI tool to practice speaking English every single day, transforming your confidence and fluency faster than you ever thought possible. The big problem: why is speaking so hard? Let's be honest. For most of us learning English, speaking is the final boss. It's the biggest hurdle. You can read articles, watch movies, and understand everything, but when it's your turn to speak, your mind goes blank. The words get stuck. Why does this happen? Well, there are a few very common reasons. The first and most obvious is the lack of a practice partner. Many of you might be living in a country where English isn't the primary language. Your family, your friends, your colleagues, they don't speak English. So who do you talk to? You can't practice if there's no one to practice with. The second reason is the fear of judgment. This one is huge. When we're learning, we're going to make mistakes. It's a natural part of the process. But the thought of someone laughing at our pronunciation or correcting our grammar in a harsh way can be terrifying. This fear can be so paralyzing that we choose not to speak at all. It's easier to stay silent than to risk embarrassment. Then there's the problem of time and money. Hiring a private tutor can be incredibly expensive, and finding time to schedule lessons can be a challenge with our busy lives. Language exchange apps can be good, but it's often difficult to find a serious partner who is as committed as you are, and you have to spend half the time teaching them your language.
All of these challenges lead to a vicious cycle. You don't practice because you're scared or have no one to talk to. And because you don't practice, your speaking skills don't improve. And because they don't improve, your confidence stays low and the fear gets even worse. It feels like an impossible situation. But today, we're going to break that cycle for good. You've probably seen videos titled How to Practice Speaking English Alone, and today I'm giving you the most practical and powerful method to do just that. The solution I'm talking about is ChatGPT. Now, you might have heard of ChatGPT for writing emails or essays, but its real secret power for English learners is its voice conversation feature. Imagine this: a friendly, patient, and incredibly intelligent conversation partner you can talk to about anything at any time. This isn't just a simple program. It's a sophisticated AI that can have full, natural conversations. It doesn't get annoyed if you ask it to repeat something. It doesn't laugh if you make a mistake. It doesn't judge you. Its only purpose is to help. This is a complete game changer. You no longer have to worry about finding a partner or feeling embarrassed. You have a safe space to practice, to make mistakes, and most importantly, to learn from them. This is the tool that can bridge the gap between knowing English and speaking English. It's like having a patient conversation partner, a buddy, or a friend right on your phone. So how does it work? It's incredibly simple. Let me walk you through it. First, you need to download the official ChatGPT app on your smartphone. It's available for both iPhone and Android. Just go to your app store and search for ChatGPT. Make sure it's the one made by OpenAI. Once you have the app installed, open it up. You might need to create a free account if you don't already have one. Now, inside the app, look at the bottom right corner. You'll see an icon that looks like a pair of headphones. This is the button for starting a voice chat. Tap on that headphone icon. The first time you do this, you might have to choose voice. There are a few different options, so you can pick the one that sounds clearest and most pleasant to you.
And that's it. You're ready to start talking. You just speak into your phone's microphone as if you're on a phone call. ChatGPT will listen to you, process what you've said, and then talk back to you. The conversation has started. It's truly that easy. Now, you might be thinking, what should I talk about? Well, the answer is easy. Anything. The best way to start is by making it personal. Talk about your real life, because when the topic is real for you, you learn faster.
Let's try a simple daily conversation. This is one of the best ways to begin. I'll show you an example. Hey, ChatGPT? I want to practice speaking English. Can we talk about my day? Of course, I'd love to. How did your day start this morning? Good morning. I just woke up. I feel tired. How are you? Good morning. I'm doing well, thank you. I hope as we chat, you'll start to feel a bit more awake and ready for the day. What did you have for breakfast? I had toast and coffee for breakfast. It was good. That sounds like a classic and delicious way to start the day. Do you have a busy day ahead of you today? Yes, I have a busy day today. I have to go to work, and then I have a meeting in the afternoon. After work, I plan to go to the gym. It sounds like you've got a lot on your plate today. What kind of work do you do? I hope your meeting goes well. And the conversation continues. Do you see how easy that was? It just talked back to me. It asks follow-up questions to keep the conversation going, just like a real person would. You can do this every single morning, just a 5-minute chat about your plans for the day. This simple habit will do wonders for your fluency. Let's try another topic. Hobbies are a fantastic thing to talk about because we are passionate about them. Let's say I love cooking. Hi, ChatGPT. Can we talk about Italian food today? Absolutely. I'd love to chat about Italian food. It's such a delicious topic, and there's so much to explore, from pasta and pizza to gelato. Do you have a favorite Italian dish to cook or eat? I love cooking. My favorite dish to cook is lasagna. It takes a long time, but it is very delicious. That's wonderful. Lasagna is an amazing dish. I agree, it takes some time, but it's always worth the effort. What's your secret to making a great lasagna? Do you have a special ingredient you like to add? Yes, I like to add a little bit of nutmeg to the bechamel sauce. It gives a special flavor. What about you? Do you have a favorite food? As an AI, I don't eat, but if I could, I think I'd be very interested in trying Neapolitan pizza baked in a traditional wood-fired oven. I've read so much about these specific techniques used to make it. It sounds fascinating. See, you can talk about anything you enjoy: movies, music, food, travel, sports, or your hobbies. The possibilities are endless. Once you're comfortable with basic chats, you can move on to role-playing. This is where things get really fun and incredibly useful. You can practice real-world situations. Let's pretend we're at the airport. This is a situation where you really need to use your English. Hey ChatGPT, let's role-play. Pretend I'm at the airport and I need help. You're an information desk employee. Please speak slowly and clearly. Of course. Welcome to the International Airport. How can I help you today?
Excuse me, could you please tell me where the boarding gate for my flight is? My flight is to London. Certainly. May I see your boarding pass, please? Thank you. Okay, your flight to London is departing from gate B27. To get there, you'll need to go straight down this hall, past the duty-free shops, and then take the escalator on your left down to the lower level. Gate B27 will be on your right. Thank you very much. And how long it take to walk there? That's a good question. It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Since your flight starts boarding in 30 minutes, you have plenty of time. Is there anything else I can assist you with? This is so helpful. You can practice asking for directions, ordering food, checking into a hotel, any situation you can think of. 40 to 48 minutes, intermediate practice. Role-playing scenarios, a job interview. Let's try a more advanced and very important role play, a job interview. Many people find this very stressful, so practicing it beforehand is a great idea. Hi ChatGPT, can you help me prepare for a job interview? You can be the interviewer and ask me some common questions. Absolutely, that's a great idea. Let's begin. Thank you for coming in today. To start, could you tell me a little bit about yourself? Yes,
My name is Alex, and I am working as a marketing assistant for 3 years. I am very organized and creative. It's nice to meet you, Alex. It's great that you have 3 years of experience. Could you tell me about a challenging project you worked on and how you handled it? In my last job, we had a very tight deadline for a new product launch. I have to organize everything. I had to organize everything. It was stressful, but we worked together as a team and launched it successfully. That's an excellent example of teamwork and performing under pressure. Thank you for sharing. Now, why are you interested in this particular role at our company?
Practicing like this builds confidence and helps you prepare your answers. So when you have the real interview, you'll feel much more relaxed and ready. The best feature, getting your mistakes corrected. This might be the most valuable feature of all. You can ask ChatGPT to correct your mistakes. Don't be afraid. This is how you improve. You can improve without making mistakes. Let me show you how to do it. Me. Hey ChatGPT, can you correct my grammatical mistakes as we talk? ChatGPT. Absolutely. I'm happy to help with that. Just speak naturally, and I'll gently correct any mistakes so you can improve. Okay, great. Yesterday, I go to the park. That's a great start. A small correction. When we talk about something that happened in the past, like yesterday, we use the past tense of the verb. So instead of I go, it would be more natural to say, yesterday, I went to the park. You're doing great. And little adjustments like that will help you sound even more natural. Oh, okay. I see the mistake. Thank you. I went to the park. I see many people there. They was having fun. Excellent correction on went. For the next part, since people is plural, we would use were instead of was. So you would say, I saw many people there. They were having fun. Keep going. This is fantastic practice. Okay, so now you see the mistake, right? It's like having a gentle teacher who points out your errors without making you feel bad. There's no pressure, no embarrassment, just quiet help. This feedback is priceless for improving your accuracy. Recap and final encouragement. So that's the power of ChatGPT for English learners. It makes practice easy and fun. You don't have to wait for a teacher or a class. You can practice whenever you want, wherever you are.
The best way to improve your speaking is to practice every day. Even just 5 minutes a day can make a big difference over time. Remember the key. Keep it simple and keep it consistent. That means doing it every single day. Talk about your day, your hobbies, your plans. Ask it questions. Ask it to ask you questions. The more you talk, the better your English becomes. Your speaking becomes smoother, your vocabulary gets stronger, and you feel more comfortable in English. This is a journey, and every conversation is a step forward. Little by little, step by step, your English will grow. All right, and that's it for today. My friends, we hope this episode gave you new ideas and the confidence to start speaking more, even if you're learning on your own. You have an amazing tool at your fingertips, so start using it today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. And for more tips and tricks to help you on your English learning journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community here at English Glow. Thank you so much for watching. Keep going, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.